presenting a pre-owned 2008 Bentley Azure. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 6.8-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Bentley is a great value with less than 16,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 9 miles per gallon in the city and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.